Hello everyone, this is Haging and today I'm gonna show you how I make my videos. Exactly the Minecraft scenario and the Minecraft recording part. The extended version of that, because I showed you the small version earlier. First, what we gotta do is find a good location for the video to play out our scenario. As you can see here, I found a village. That could be a good thing. Now we just have to find somewhere interesting. The iron golem. Let's try to spawn Siren Head. Oh man, they're fighting. He has no chance. Yeah. That won't work probably. So we gotta find another location because there's nothing interesting in that village. Or what we can do is to just dig down and you'll see what I mean. Let's get a sign going. 3 diamonds. We get some lava and water. Now we got everything we need. Let's just damage this pickaxe a little bit. Alright, now let's just hope it doesn't disappear, because that happens. Now we are recording. Just move a little bit further. Now we're just walking. Oh my, oh. Diamonds, nice. Lava, oh no. Oh. Siren Head, I'm dead. So that's basically it. You just get this scenario. Sometimes the scenario is better, sometimes it's worse, you know how it goes. So thank you very much for watching. In the next video I'm gonna show you the extended version of how to edit this video. Thank you, bye bye, see you another time.